Hello everyone, welcome to GeekerMag. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make custom ringtone on your iPhone with quick and easy steps without using third-party app. Before that, I'm trying to hit 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. Please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages me in creating more similar videos. To make a custom ringtone, you need an MP3 file of particular song or music. If you have it already, then skip to next step. In case you need one, then follow these instructions. Get the link of the YouTube video for that particular music. For that, tap share button and then copy link. Next, on the browser, visit cobalt.tools. Here select audio, then paste the URL of video, then tap arrows icon. This will fetch the video. If you see this pop up, tap allow. Now you will see this dialog box. Tap download. You will find the MP3 file of that song in the download section of Files app. Here tap and hold on the file and select copy. Next, you need a GarageBand app which is available for free on App Store. Download it. I have already installed it on my phone. So search and open it. Tap on the plus icon and you will see this screen. Tap on the audio recorder. You will see this user interface. Tap on the multiple blocks icon on the upper left corner. This will add the timeline. Long tap and select paste. The MP3 file will be added to timeline. Here you can adjust starting and ending point of the audio. iPhone support 20 to 30 seconds ringtone, so this is the max you can get. Once you are done with adjustments, tap on the down arrow icon on the top left and select My Songs. Tap and hold and select Share and select Ringtone. Next, you can give custom name to your ringtone and then tap Export. Once export process complete, you will see this dialog. Here tap Use Sound As. You will see three options. Select Standard Ringtone and you are done. Now if you open Settings, Sound and Haptics, Ringtone, you will find that your custom ringtone is selected. I hope this helps. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.